Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2018 Honda CRF250L. This dual sport bike has just under 9,400 miles on it and will come with our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you today, then we'll fire it up for you. Front tire on this bike's in good shape, still got some life left in it. Comes with hand guards, as well as bar mirrors. This has an FMF pipe on it, as well as an integrated tail with a fender eliminator. And as you can see, this has a back tire on it, but it needs a new one. This bike has had a minor tip over on the left-hand side. You can see a little scrape in there on the white. Spot here on the middle bodywork, and here on the bar for the handguard. So, and again, handguard and bar mirror. All right, 9371 is what's on it. There's your signals too. This 2018 Honda CRF 250L is pre-owned and will come with a 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.